loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to start with Bioderma. I know this is a makeup remover, but it also helps get rid of all the dirt and oil that's sitting on your face throughout the day. So I haven't washed my face since morning, so as you guys can see, it's quite oily and greasy. I have extremely sensitive skin and this doesn't irritate my skin at all. I'm going to then flip it and use it on my neck as well. I haven't applied makeup today and it is still going to collect a lot of dirt. You guys are just going to see in a bit. That's the amount of dirt it collected. Next, I'm going to use face wash, so I'm just wetting my face with water. The face wash that I'm using is this one by Medimix. Now, it hasn't helped my acne situation a lot, but that's because of the heat. So I am still going to continue using this for the next 2 months and see how well it works on my skin. I use very little product because I've already done 1 round of cleansing. I use a damp Foreo Lunar Play to wash my face. Now this also has an inbuilt vibrator, so this helps massage the face and clean at the same time. So you don't necessarily need this product. I had read very good reviews about this, so I wanted to give it a go. The Lunar Play works only 100 times, so mine still hasn't stopped working. That's why I'm still using it, and yes, it did make a huge difference to my skin texture. Now I'm just washing my face with water. I use a soft napkin and dab my face to get rid of the excess water. Next, I'm going to tone my face, and for that I'm using this rose water. I got this from the pharmacy for just 25 bucks, so any rose water will do. Rose water evens out your skin and it's also very good for tightening your pores and acne too, so I always complete my skincare routine with rose water. If I have time on me, I also like to use it under my eyes, like so. The last and the final thing that I use is this Elizabeth Arden 8-hour cream. I absolutely love this for my lips. It's my lips' new bestie. It leaves my lips so moisturized and hydrated. I use this every single night before sleeping. And I'm also having a hard time balancing these cotton pads because I generally do this when I'm lying down. I apply a generous amount on my lips, and after applying it, I like to massage it into my lips just a little bit. And there it falls. After 10 minutes, I take out the cotton pads. And that's it. That's my skincare routine for you guys. I do this every single night. I believe less is more when it comes to your skin, and I try to use as minimal products as possible. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'm going to see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye.